Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I'm making a quick and delicious 10-minute chicken cheese crepe nashta, perfect for breakfast, evening snacks, or when you want something tasty in very little time. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 1 egg, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add 1 and 1/4 cup milk, 1 cup flour. Mix everything well until you get a smooth crepe batter. Make sure the batter is smooth without lumps. Keep aside. Now prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, 1 green chilli. Cook for about 30 seconds. Add half cup boiled shredded chicken, 3 tablespoon capsicum, 3 tablespoon carrot. Add half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Mix well and cook for 1 minute. Keep the chicken filling aside. Grease a little oil in a pan. Pour the crepe batter and spread it evenly. Cook for 1 minute, then flip. These crepes cook much faster than regular pancakes. Remove from heat. Add the chicken mixture, mozzarella cheese. Chicken and cheese makes a classic combination for quick snacks. Seal with a little remaining crepe batter and fold as shown. Do not overfill the crepe to avoid breaking. Add oil to the pan. Place the crepes and cook both sides until golden brown. Cook crepes on medium heat for the best texture. Stuffed crepes can be served as breakfast snacks or light meals. Vegetables like capsicum and carrot add vitamins and fiber. Homemade snacks allow better control of ingredients. Balanced filling makes snacks more nutritious. Your 10-minute chicken cheese crepe nashta is ready, crispy outside and cheesy inside. Serve hot with ketchup or your favorite sauce. Try this quick recipe and tell us how it turned out. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy and delicious recipes.